Welcome again. Thank you for watching my GIMP tutorials. I hope you enjoy them and learn some useful things for your digital creations. Okay, here I have a new tutorial to show you. I have just picked up two of my pictures and I want to blend them in a way that it gives me an interesting result. So I will enlarge a little bit the picture. Now I am going to use the blend tool and I will fill selected area with a color gradient and I will try to blend the two pictures in one to give a result with lightnings and various special effects. So I press the blend tool and now I select the layer button from the toolbars menu, check mask and add layer mask. White full opacity is okay for now and press the add button. Now I'm going to delete all this yellow unimportant thing. I don't like it. But linear gradient it's not suitable for me, so I have to change it to the radial. It's better. So I can delete pressing. Just try different. I will choose the gradient FG to transparent, it's better. And I will delete it. You see, with this way, I have just blended the two pictures in one picture, and you see that I cut all the edges, and it does not seem to that I have used two pictures. It's like one. Okay. Back. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate the layer. I'm going up in the menu bar and I press the button layer, duplicate layer. That's it. This is the way you make a montage using 2, 3 or multiple photos to create many photos blending in one. Thank you for watching. Bye.